going to get real wet in this race. Looks like the OU boat is forcing the OSU boat out of bounds. Oh, the OU boat is taking the lead. OSU boat's taking on water, it looks like. Oh, no. I don't think the OSU boat's going to make the end zone. Again. Well, they haven't given up yet. Oh! Come on, look at this. OSU boat is taking the lead, taking on water, taking on lots of air. They're working hard. What's wrong with the OU boat? You're going the wrong way. Come on, OU. Come on. Go, Sooners. I think the OU boat's been taking on beer. I'm not real sure. Come on, OU. OSU hasn't given up. I think Tom Sawyer helped them build that boat. It looked like something they went down the river on.